let's draw MSM guys with me. I'm drawing MSM again. No, I'm not again. This is my first time drawing MSM characters, so please no hate. Circle. Now, let's go to black. Let's turn it black. Black. We need that like. Okay, that black. Like a little bit tan. I can tell this is gonna be pretty bad. Oh! It's okay. That was so bad. Just really. Kata ko. Let's turn the orange. This. Yeah, this is gonna take a long time, bro. Okay, stop yapping. Just calm down. I'll reach this later. If you know, by the way, I'm in our studio again. I recently made videos here. And some of my videos is actually made here. So that's all I'm gonna say. Then I'll add pink on the sides of that one. Freak! Let's make this 10. Want it very black, but you don't mind that.
Alexa, how many minutes left?
Turn it pink. Think his mouth is. Wait a minute, his eyes. It's black, right? Let's just turn it black, man. Oh. I think it looks so bad. Okay. Guess his arms are a little bit relatable to this. What can we have here? Doja. What? Okay. Bruh. I'm gonna erase all of that guy. No. Oh, close one. Okay. I think that's too drama. No. That's so crazy. Wait a minute. Looks so bad. That's toe jammer. Wait a minute. Can I add a little bit of design? Or maybe that's all. Fan art.
Alexa, stop.
Guess that's my toe jammer fan art. Okay, bye guys. See ya.